Okay, everyone, I am teaching all little kids in preschool and in early elementary school and in daycare not to tamper with fire alarms for any reason. The reason why you never ever tamper with fire alarms in any public building for any reason is because fire alarms are not toys. They are very serious life safety devices that alert people when there is a fire inside the building and they must evacuate the building immediately and also notify the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why you never ever mess with this in a public building for any reason. The good thing about this alarm is that it has a sealed candela, a sealed volume, a sealed pattern, and a sealed tone. So it is harder for little kids to mess with it, which I like. But if the fire alarm is multi-candela, multi-pattern, multi-volume, and multi-tone, never ever adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on it. You leave all of that alone. You leave the alarm the way it is. If you pull the fire alarm for fun, you will get into serious trouble. You will get fined and you will get arrested by the police. If you are a adult at 18 years old and older, and if you do it at school, you will get suspended and expelled from school. You will get grounded by your parents. So this is why you never ever pull fire alarms unless there is a real fire, or if you have permission to pull them for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled legal environment where the fire department doesn't come. But if it's not for those reasons, you do not pull fire alarms. And never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment unless you have your own fire alarms at home. But in a public building, that is a big no no. You don't ever do that. Goodbye.